What if you can go from a blog, a script, or even a random product link straight to a branded video without touching 5 different apps? Today, I'm going to put FlexClip to the test, and I'm going to show you why it becomes one of my go-to tools when it comes to video creation. Hey, welcome back to Kuya or As, the channel where I break down the best tools for creators, marketers, and businesses trying to produce content faster without sacrificing quality. And if you are into video editing tips, AI tools, video clipping, and any related topics, please consider subscribing. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Now let's break down FlexClip into 5 features. First up, the AI with human control. FlexClip lets AI generate your first drop, but then you drop straight into real timeline editor to fine-tune it. So you're not stuck with whatever AI spits out. So you get speed and control. We will try the AI generation from FlexClips. And of course, when it comes to AI generations, FlexClip is not the one who generated personally. Like any other platforms, FlexClip is actually using different AI tools. The Kling AI, Veo, we have the Sedans, and most of the AI models. So we have here different tabs. Alright, so we have the image to video, text to video, video effects, text to image to image, and AI photo editor. And I don't know, there's a community tab here, AI tools. So let's try the image to video. So we have an Ultra, Sedans 1.5. These are the previous versions. So OpenAI, we have the Minimax, Dream Actor, Google View 3.1. Ayan. And we also have Sedans 2.0. And actually, I am impressed with their AI models, but of course they don't have the latest models yet. Since we're just testing this platform, so we will give our honest review for this one. Of course, as you have noticed that the AI models you can see here are not actually the latest one, but it's actually working pretty good. So before the latest one, it's actually the AI models that we are using, and we find it very amazing.
All right, quiet on set. Rolling in 3, 2, 1. All right, quiet on set. Rolling in 3, 2, 1.
Honestly, I kinda amazed with the result. It actually is super clean. The studio was actually bigger as I expected, and the characters inside is actually not warping, not blurring, or not having any extra motions that actually disrupt the video. And our main character is actually pretty clear and kind of look realistic in this video.
Rolling in 3, 2, 1.
The cameraman, they're actually doing their work, but yeah, it looks pretty well. So what we're going to do now, we don't need to download this video that we just generated. All we have to do is to click this button here, the edit button, for us to be redirected or rerouted to the same platform. It's still inside FlexClip, but we are inside the editing or video editing page. Alright, so automatically the video that we just generated from our image was exported directly and placed directly to our timeline in the editor page of FlexClip. This is actually pretty good because you don't need to open CapCut to edit your videos. You can just edit inside FlexClip. We can change the speed. Aside from we can change the speed, we can also have this option. Like in CapCut, we also have this curve speed, which is we can customize it. Let's see if we can customize. Yeah, we can customize it. We have the montage, the hero time, bullet, we have jump cut, we have flash in, and we have flash out. Let's try flash out. Let's play this. Ooh. Let's try the hero time. There you go. Last one, we will try the montage. Oh. So from image that we can actually generate inside FlexClip, and we can modify our prompt. We have the prompt guide inside FlexClip. Then we can generate from image to video, and now video we can export it still inside FlexClip editor. We can place it on timeline, we can control the speed, we have the split option, we have the trimming option, we have the freeze option, and of course we have the reverse option. And we can also mirror it on the top of the video, and also we can adjust by clicking this edit. So we have the effects. Alright, so we have different filters in here. So we have mono, cinematic, so we still have different options here. Then we also have the adjust option where we can color grade our video, and we can we can add captions. We have also different thumbnails or templates in here. So you can generate subtitles, or you can upload your own subtitles. You can dub, and we have the stock footage here for your B-rolls, E-rolls, and anything that you want to add. Audio, they have available sounds inside. I'm actually impressed with this one because I never expected that they also have their list of music and sound effects. Yeah, they have their sound effects. Avatars, elements. Oh, we have the elements here, like stickers, the function of stickers, effects, the AI tools that we have here, and we have the brand. What is this? Oh, you can actually customize your video or your brand based on this. You can just upload your logo, brand text. You know, you can choose the font colors if you're actually in marketing or in business side. Okay, even creators, they can actually use this one. Then you can just save it or export the video. You can edit the title here, first project, and you can also set the ratio or the frame of your video. So pretty much you can also have the adjustment to fit all the videos here. If this one literally can automatically add the audio here, so there's still a lot of option in the edit videos. That's actually the first thing that I like with FlexClip, because you can just edit your generated image or generated video inside FlexClip. You don't need to go CapCut, you don't need to go to DaVinci or any other editing platform. And if you are a video clipper like myself and you repurpose content, this next one is huge, because FlexClip's long to shorts tool can take a podcast, webinar, or YouTube video, find the best highlights and auto add subtitles, and reframe it for TikTok or Reels. That's an entire clipping workflow condensed into few clicks. The clipping options of FlexClip. Alright, so what we're going to do, let's find a video in YouTube. YouTube.com. Let's copy a link in YouTube. So we'll find a podcast. Alright. Let's say Shite. Alright, so one of my favorite podcasts, Shite. So let's open this podcast. Let's check this one. This is a 42 minutes video, a long form video.
When you come,
so let's share and copy the link. Alright, then go back to our tab. Let's paste it here. Alright, so after we paste our link, so we can choose our language. So of course we'll choose English, then clip type. So this is really good because we can choose highlights, key points, Q&A clips, tutorial steps, product features. So if you are actually making a short clip for a product video, then you can choose these product features. Tutorial tips, if that video is a tutorial and you want to make it short, and Q&A, key points, and highlights. For this example, we will use highlights. Alright, then for the duration, let's say 30 seconds. Okay, so that's actually the minimum, the 30 seconds. Then let's choose 9:16 or 16:9. Let's choose 9:16. Okay, 9:16, where clippers actually use 9:16 for short or reels. All right, then you can also choose a subtitle, so you have an option for subtitles here. All right, so let's use this or this one. Let's try this cool text green and white combination. Motivational or inspirational, and it costs us 43 coins. All right, so let's generate. So it's now starting to generate. If you are a clipper and you like the results and you want to try FlexClip, you can just use the link below to support this channel. Alright, so we're done with our clips. We actually have 5 generated clips here. Okay, let's try to watch this one first. And what I like with this one, because we already have the title, Stop Making Excuses and Find What Resonates. This is actually a punchy title for a clip. And we also have the ratings in here, the viral potential. So you can really actually see, or you can you have the hint that this clip will have a good views because it has a ratings here. But of course, still really depends on your account. Publishable, this high energy push loss created hits leveraging. I don't know if this is actually made up by FlexClip, but it's actually pretty good if you're seeing it. So we can really find out once we watch the clip. Find something that does resonate. We have the captions in here, so you can just copy it. And what I really like about this is that you can publish it inside FlexClip. You can download it, you can trim it, or you can open an editor. Like I've mentioned, everything that we generate in here, we can open it in editor page and we can edit those clips. Let's try this one first. Let's play it.
Find something that does resonate with you, even if it's not in the world that you ever thought you would be in. Find something that you align with, and because everybody aligns with something. I mean,
there's
that's not a
camera.
I'm willing to take from anybody. You know, align with something, and find your positivity, find your intuition within that thing, and be obsessed about it.
This is good. Okay, that's a 30 seconds or 22 seconds video clips. Let's watch another one.
And realizing that is enough. You know what I'm saying? Like that, like giving your best is enough. And sometimes we lose track of that, you know? And yeah, so for anybody out there, you know, you're enough, man.
Oh. Once you see it, you can unsee it.
When you get to yourself, you're like, man, can I stop this? Can I change this? I could do this. Once you know better, you gotta almost do better. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. And I refuse to ignore it.
Okay. So we've seen a lot.
Just endure, you know. Now I feel as though it was my path.
This one has a low ratings. I don't know,
spirituality and growing up in a household that was very focused on.
But yeah,
you know,
let's try to let's just download this all. Let me just download this all. So now, clippers, you have an idea. Actually, this turns out well. So if you want to try FlexClip, just use the link below to support our channel. All right, so let's pick a new folder. FlexClip shorts. Open. Save it. You also have an option to rename it or to delete this one, so it's up to you. So now we're going to open this on editor page so that we can edit this specific clip that we just generated. So now our generated short clips is now on editing timeline, or it already plays on our timeline. Let's check. So we have 2 here. It should only be 1, right? Yeah, but we have here. Oh, okay. So let's just start. Let's play this.
That does resonate with you, even if it's not in.
And this is one of my favorite, text-based editing. Why? Because FlexClip transcribe footages by editing the transcript, delete a sentence, and the matching video clips disappears. It's a huge time saver for a talking head content. We already deleted this one.
Find your positivity, find your intuition within that
It's
thing.
good.
And
The priority is gone. Let's Control Z. Okay, so we can use Control Z on this platform. It's good.
align with something. And find your
Positivity.
intuition with it.
See? So you can edit your video by just modifying the captions and the timeline. The timestamps of your video. So you can just edit here. So if you don't want this part, you can actually just delete what part of that one in the caption. That's one thing that I really like. You can modify, you can cut, you can trim, you can freeze the clips, then you can just save it or export it. Up to you. So you can export it up to 4K. You can adjust the frame rates. You can actually adjust the quality. You can also choose GIF and audio only. So it's up to you. And that's one thing that I like with FlexClip. It's all in one. You can edit your video, you can generate an image, you can generate a video. You have different templates for businesses, for creators, and for marketers. And it supports over 60 languages. And this might be the most underrated part. You don't even need a video to start. A text, an image, a script, or a blog URL, or a product link, even a PDF or PowerPoint. FlexClip can turn any of that into a video, and then you can customize it inside the platform. So you don't need to go out and look for any different AI tools or any platforms just to edit the whole thing. So FlexClip is an editing platform where you can mix up AI tools, add subtitles, framings, clippings, and also there are different templates and designs inside it. And that's what we are going to talk about the next one, because on the top of all of that, you will get 6,000 plus templates, million of stacks assets, and brand kit that stores your logo, colors, font, so every video you make stays on brand without redoing the setup every time. So you don't need to go back from the start. So the bottom line, FlexClip is not trying to be the single best AI video generator out there, because it's an all-in-one platform that takes you from idea to finish. Branded video without jumping between 5 different tools. So for creators, marketers, or businesses producing content regularly, that workflow alone saves hours every week. So if you want to try it yourself, I've got a link in the description below. If you want to support this channel, just use that link to start using FlexClip. And again, this is Kuyar, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Again, see you on the next one.